Kale for bone health. Kale, a leafy green vegetable, has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. One particular benefit that deserves attention is kale's ability to promote bone health. In this essay, we will explore why kale is an excellent choice for maintaining strong and healthy bones. First and foremost, kale is an exceptionally rich source of calcium. Calcium is a mineral vital for bone health as it provides the strength and structure necessary for bones. Consuming an adequate amount of calcium is essential, especially during growth and aging when bone density tends to decline. With just 1 cup of cooked kale containing around 9% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, incorporating it into one's diet can significantly contribute to maintaining strong bones. Furthermore, kale is packed with vitamin K, which is crucial for bone formation and repair. Vitamin K plays a pivotal role in activating osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium to bones, making them stronger. Kale is one of the richest sources of vitamin K, with 1 cup supplying more than the recommended daily intake. By regularly consuming kale, individuals can ensure that their bones receive the necessary support for growth, maintenance, and repair. Another remarkable aspect of kale's contribution to bone health lies in its high levels of magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that works in conjunction with calcium and vitamin D to promote bone density and prevent bone loss. This impressive combination of calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium in kale provides a powerhouse of nutrients that support and maintain bone health. Additionally, kale is an excellent source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants play a critical role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which can negatively impact bone health. In particular, vitamin C aids in collagen synthesis, a protein essential for the structure and flexibility of bones, while beta-carotene helps combat free radicals that may damage bone cells. By including kale in one's diet, individuals are effectively protecting their bones from harmful factors that could compromise their integrity. Moreover, kale contains a range of minerals, including phosphorus, potassium, and manganese, which are essential for maintaining bone health. Phosphorus, the second most abundant mineral in the body after calcium, is required for the formation and mineralization of bones. Meanwhile, potassium helps support the balance of acids in the body, facilitating the absorption of important minerals such as calcium. Lastly, manganese is involved in the production and maintenance of healthy bone tissue. Kale's nutrient profile makes it an excellent addition to any diet aiming to improve and maintain bone health. In addition to its direct impact on bone health, kale also contributes to overall good health and well-being. Its high fiber content promotes digestive health and aids in the absorption of nutrients, ensuring that the body efficiently utilizes the bone-boosting properties of kale. Moreover, kale is low in calories and fat while being abundant in vitamins and minerals, making it an ideal choice for weight management, which is crucial for supporting healthy bones. In conclusion, kale is a powerhouse vegetable that offers numerous health benefits, particularly when it comes to bone health. Its impressive nutrient profile, including calcium, vitamin K, magnesium, antioxidants, and various minerals, makes it an excellent choice for strengthening bones, preventing bone loss, and supporting overall bone health. Therefore, individuals looking to improve their bone health should consider incorporating kale into their diet as part of a well-balanced meal plan. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope you found the information to be helpful. If so, please hit the like button, and for more topics on kale and its health benefits along with kale recipes, healthy eating with kale, and so much more on the subject of kale, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's start living healthier by incorporating kale into our everyday diet.